Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I want to show you how to paint this Santa Claus. I'm going to go in first with color cotton and paint his beard and his mustache. I'm also going to use the cotton color to go in and paint the fur on his hat. And next I'm going to go in and paint his face and his nose in the color putty. Following that, I'll go in with the color soft pink for his cheeks. And then I'll finish off his base coat by going in with barn red for his Santa hat. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to go in and outline everything with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. And I'm just going over the lines that are etched in the cutout for me, so I'm not having to freehand or worry about where the lines should go. And then once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with Savannah Mist, and I'm going to add some little swirls to the cotton on his hat and also his beard. And the brush I'm using for this is a number 4 round. It's perfect for these swirls. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with cotton, and I'm going to highlight the top of his nose, his cheeks, and his hat. And that'll finish him off. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.